Traveling to China soon? Here in Chinese phrases every traveler must know. And yes, they might save your life. First is ni hao. Ni hao. Start with this, say it to anyone. It works everywhere. Yeah. 谢谢. Thank you. Say it often. People appreciate it more than you think. 对不起. Sorry. Excuse me. Want me to tell someone? Say this and keep it moving. 对不起. 多少钱?多少钱? How much is it? That's if you are shopping. This phrase is your wallet's best friend. 多少钱?厕所在哪里?厕所在哪里? Where is the bathroom? Learn this. Trust me, you will need it. 不好意思,不好意思. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. It's more polite than just sorry, okay? Great for asking for help. Yeah. 你会说英文吗?你会说英语吗? Do you speak English? Opens doors when you are stuck. Say it kindly. Do that. 啊，我迷路了，我迷路了. I'm lost. Essential for when GPS fails you. 我迷路了。我听不懂，我听不懂. I don't understand. It's okay. Say this and they will slow down or help you out. 请帮我，请帮我，请帮我. And most local ones gladly lend a hand. 请帮我。我吃菜，我吃菜. I'm vegetarian. Use this at restaurants to avoid meat or animal products. Okay? 我吃菜. 不辣, 不辣, not spicy. Say this if you are sensitive to spicy foods. Spicy food. 不辣, okay? 好吃, yummy. It's delicious. Delicious. Compliment your host, don't forget. Compliment your host, restaurant or food store. 好吃, yummy. Next, Maidan. The bill, please. Maidan. Use at restaurant to ask to pay. Maidan. 开水, boiled water. Ask this instead of cold water. Common in China. Most Chinese people, they don't drink cold water. So, 热水,开水, okay. 到这里,到这里. Take me here. Showing a location. That is, you're pointing at a map or phone screen and say this to a driver. 到这里. For those taking the taxi, 到这里. 我要去,我要去. I want to go to. Start any destination request with this. 我要去,去哪?中国,美国,加拿大,尼日利亚. 这个,这个. This one, this one. Useful when pointing at food, items, or maps. 这个,这个. This, this. 太贵了,太贵了. Too expensive. A classic haggling phrase at market. It's too expensive. 太贵了. 可以便宜一点吗?可以便宜一点吗? Can it be cheaper? Can it be less expensive? 我可以拍照吗?我可以拍照吗? Can I take a photo? Useful and polite before taking pictures of people or shops. Literally anything that is not yours. Always use this. 可以拍照吗? Take permission. 请慢一点,请慢一点. Please speak slower. Perfect when you're trying to understand someone. 请慢一点. Your Wi-Fi ma? Your Wi-Fi ma? Do you have Wi-Fi? Essential at cafes, hotels, or airports. You will need it. 我不舒服,我不舒服,我不舒服. I don't feel well. This is important for medical or emergency situations. 我要去医院,我要去医院. I need to go to the hospital. Learn this in case of serious emergency. 我要去医院. Follow for more Chinese that actually helps you travel smart. Thank you.